Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We're now going to have issue 15 of Build Your Own Disney's Doll's House. Okay, so issue 15 is a really simple one. It's nothing we ain't done before. We're just doing one of the lower panels for the Mickey Mouse walls. So in here we get our panel and our accessories are in the back of the packet just there. So I will take them out in a minute and show you exactly what we get. But yeah, so let me show you the panel that we're actually making. So as you can see, we get another panel, and just like before, we're going to use some parts for this. So we're going to be using some wood glue at the top to secure the top and bottom down. We make sure we do have them on the right way and they are angled the right way. And yeah, once we've done that, we can start adding these parts in here. We're going to put some glue in some key areas around here, and once we've done that, we can place them down onto here, and then we've got that made all up just like that. Okay, so definitely not too much to do in this one, so this one will be a short and sweet video. So yeah, there's going to be more Disney Doll's House soon, so I'm going to do this one this week, issue 15 next week, and then I think the week after we're going to have another marathon where we get one done every night. So without further ado, let's get the parts out of the packaging and start building. Alright, so the accessories in this one, we get this little cactus here. Yeah, is it a bit closer? Yeah, nice detail on that. That's our cactus. We get these two like life buoys. We get a red and a blue white striped one. There. No other detail on it other than being red and white striped. And we also get this little hat here. I think that might be Donald Duck's hat. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, lovely little hat. Right, okay, so kicking off with this part here, as again, we should have the panel number 4. So you want to make sure the 4's the right way up. So it's going to be like that to me. And then one of these are going on each side. So these look like they're pretty similar. So it doesn't look like it matters which one goes on which, as long as they line up, which that one does. And that one does. So we're going to get some wood glue on them, secure them down. This one on. So one is the top, one is the bottom. So I'm going to put this one at the top with the number 4 on the back facing up the way. It's exactly the same with the bottom one. Line that up. Pick that up to make sure that is flush down with that. Which it is. I'm going to use some clamps now and clamp them on. Right, that's that. Now we can apply super glue on the insides of here. So again, I'm going to use a cocktail stick and a little reservoir of glue. So you can see I've got my wood glue this side, I've got my super glue this side. So again, I'm going to apply some glue all the way around these edges. 1, 2, that's one now. Alright, now you're going to pick one of these and drop it down into there. Just like that. So we're going to repeat that process 2 more times. This is the second one all glued up. Let's get this one dropped into the middle. Finally, the last one. Just drop that down there. Just like that. So with that, that is this issue all complete. There you are guys, that is another issue of our Build the Disney's Doll's House all complete. So on to issue 16 next. If you still ain't picked this up for yourself, buildthedisneydollshouse.com, you'll find it over there. There is loads of free gifts that you get with it. You get figures, house accessories, loads of bits and bobs like that. So until next time guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care, bye bye.